पूरा केसेस ये सारा डील करता है लोअर जुडिशरी। तो सर यहाँ पर भी अगर हम लोग इफ वी टॉक अबाउट एनी रिव्यूइंग बॉडी एटलीस्ट फॉर द लोअर जुडिशरी, तो ऐसे में क्या है कि वी कैन इंक्रीज द अकाउंटेबिलिटी ऑफ जजेस, और सर अकाउंटेबिलिटी बढ़ता है तो फिर पीपल विल प्लेस देयर ट्रस्ट ऑन जजेस।
ठीक है, सो वी आर स्टिल टॉकिंग अबाउट मॉनिटरिंग, सो आई विल गिव यू अ रेडिकल आइडिया एंड देन आई विल क्लोज। ओके ओके, आपका क्या है? हाँ,
So there is something on RTS, right to service.
राइट टू सर्विस, हाँ है ना, है हरियाणा में है,
हरियाणा में लागू भी कर रहे हैं।
लागू कर रहे हैं। राइट टू सर्विस पता है? सिटीजन चार्टर पता है? सिटीजन चार्टर नहीं पता है? कोई आरटीआई का भी फाइल नहीं किया है? We are not aware citizens. So tell us quickly in 2 lines what is right to service.
सिंपल, अगर ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस चाहिए तो 3 महीने में बन जाना चाहिए। आपको कोई भी सर्विस, जितनी भी सर्विसेज हैं, you are entitled, there is timeline defined for all the.
What will happen if they don't give you the driving license in 3 months? They'll have to pay a fine.
Yes.
In Telangana, I think right to service is implemented. They will have to pay a fine from their salary.
Yes.
जो रिलेवेंट ऑफिसर है जिसको आपको लाइसेंस देना है, पर डे इफ इट गेट्स डिलेड इज अ फाइन, उसकी सैलरी से कट के आपको मिलेगा पैसा। ठीक है, इट्स कॉल्ड राइट टू सर्विस। दिस आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, दिस आई नो इज मेकिंग पीपल अनकंफर्टेबल कि सर लॉ ऐसे नहीं चलता सर, बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है, बहुत सारे पार्टीज होते हैं, बहुत डिटेल में जांचना पड़ता है, ऐसे आप प्रेशर डाल दोगे तो इनकरेक्ट जजमेंट्स आएंगे, इनएफिशिएंट चीज़ें होंगी। सर ऐसे नहीं होता है, लोग की जान इस पर डिपेंडेंट है, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस नहीं है। ठीक है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग फॉर ऑल द टाइप्स ऑफ केसेस, देयर कुड बी।
Can we have right to justice?
We are very far from that. We are not even willing to question their performance. Forget about asking for our rights. ठीक है? So I'm just saying time bound recommendations, some level, if not even punitive action. Can you just build a dashboard? उसके लिए I see there's a discomfort. If I just rank the courts how they're functioning, that would be enough. Okay, so what I will suggest is, so what are the 3 levels in the judiciary? Supreme Court, High Court, District Court. How does our governance structure work? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, उसके बाद लोकल गवर्नमेंट। लोकल गवर्नमेंट किस लेवल पर होता है? ग्राम पंचायत, 2-3 विलेजेस। तो लॉट ऑफ लोकल इश्यूज गेट रिजॉल्व बाय द ग्राम पंचायत। मेनी थिंग्स आर कमिंग अंडर देम। वो 42nd वो फाइनेंस कमीशन जो भी आया उसके कारण और भी ज़्यादा पैसा जा रहा है। ऑल दोज गुड थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग। आई सी सम पीपल स्माइलिंग। ओके, व्हाई कांट देयर बी अ विलेज कोर्ट? व्हाई कांट सी, and I'm not giving a radical idea, 2009, all of you should do this as homework. There was a draft न्याय पंचायत bill. Okay, how many of you are aware of that? पढ़ा है आपने? कहाँ पढ़ा है?
This is Upendra Bakshi who wrote an article on न्याय पंचायत. He had come to our college.
So it is called a न्याय पंचायत. So if the administration can be decentralized to the village level, why can't justice delivery be decentralized to the village level? I know all your kind of training which you have will say, sir, how are they qualified? Example, खाप बन जाएगा, खाप में क्या बुरा है? We'll discuss it later. ठीक है? There are media stories and there's some reality that's very different from the media stories. Okay, so can you make village courts constitutional bodies? They are not informal bodies like what you are saying. Constitutionally, I will give you a homework कि all of you should study the 2009 न्याय पंचायत ड्राफ्ट बिल. Okay, very very important. Very, I mean, see again, when you look at India post 1947, it's a different story. If you look at India pre 1947, some of you will not agree India existed, but according to me, India existed for 10,000 years, right? This whole thing of justice delivery was never an issue till we adopted the British colonial system of running this country. If you look at it from a Indic perspective, justice delivery was local, was people's courts. It was in people's languages. People would to represent their own things, and then they would get justice speedy, immediate. For example, it removes a lot of issues which you are facing today. I am not saying discuss murder cases there or other cases there. Define the sections in IPC. It's all defined in the draft bill, which should be solved. Right? आपने मेरी बकरी चुराई, ठीक है, मैं इसके लिए जाऊंगा क्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में? हाउ विल दैट पर्सन देयर डिसाइड इफ यू हैव स्टोलन और नॉट? बट ऑल द विलेजर्स अराउंड मी नो दैट यू हैव टेकन इट. because they are all eyewitnesses, but somehow none of them can come to the district court. So जो perjury बोलते हैं ना, जो झूठ बोलना होता है, that happens when the third person doesn't know the context, costs, time, language, but lot of your jobs will also go because there will not be a need for a lawyer in between, right? People represent their own cases themselves in the language which they are comfortable. Justice is given then and there, and this can all be done with the safeguards. Just like you can have reservations. I know people will say majoritarian हो जाएगा, पंच बन जाएगा, domination हो जाएगा खाप का. उसके पूरे safeguards है, appellate authorities है. If things don't happen there, you can appeal further. But a lot of cases, if 3 crore cases are pending in the district courts today, if you decentralize the system further and take it to the village level, lot of cases get resolved there and people come back much more happier than what would happen otherwise. You always have the right to appeal further. But start with if the administration can be decentralized, what is so wrong with the honorable judiciary that it can't be decentralized? This bill was introduced by the Panchayati Raj Ministry in 2009. It never went through. Okay. So this is a homework. You should not talk about it without reading the bill. But if you have any other questions, you can ask me.
Say 2 things. First, we're talking about how to lessen the burden that the judiciary already has. So when we're talking about vigilance,
Many things. It's not just reducing the judiciary ke upar burden. I'm talking about the experience of the person who's seeking justice. Yeah.
so when we're saying कि बकरी का केस कोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में नहीं लेके जाएगा, so when we're saying कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट का ही बर्डन ले जाना है, तो वो ambit में नहीं आ रहा है. That is not in the ambit of decreasing the number
No.
of cases of the district court. And the second thing we're talking about, एक local court बना दो. So we have introduced lok adalats जो have these.
They are not local courts. They are for mediation, reconciliation. They are for speedy justice. Probably. They are a remedy to a symptom. See, because the judiciary is clogged, you say court ke bahar aao, bahar solve karo, and we'll have open courts. I am saying institutionalize it. Lok adalats happen, I know. They're fairly successful. Lot of cases get disposed at lok adalats through mediation, reconciliation, right? That is the main goal of lok adalats. I am saying lok adalats a concept ko institutionalize karo, make them constitutional bodies and keep them at the village level. Okay? And this is not me speaking. There are several people spoken about it and they have drafted this.
Support this idea of village thing, but I was just clarifying how it's.
Yeah, so I know there are lok adalats, there are many different things. There are a lot of places where mediation is happening. So this whole thing of mediation, na, कि सुलझाओ cases at a very low level. Lot of people who now, if you have a village court, if she faces a small problem like she did, she'll feel comfortable going there and doing it because immediate justice मिलता है. And I can petition, I don't have to go through a lawyer. वो क्या बात कर रहा है, किस भाषा में बात कर रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, वो problem नहीं रहता है. Costs कम होते हैं, public में होता है, so there is a perception of what's happening. Right? Lot of things happen. They have put safeguards. I'm not saying it's 100% good, but it's a good start for us to think. Okay? These were the institutions which existed in pre-British era in the country. You may have whatever perception, I have a different perception probably, and they delivered justice at the local level. तो जो न्याय वाला concept है ना कि I got justice, आज लोगों को मिलता नहीं है because it happens too late at a very high cost, sometimes unfair, because I don't have the resources to battle this for so long. But then if it happens in my context where I represent myself at a fast, speedy, easier way, that makes the entire burden also reduce and improve the experience of people. Okay? So you should think more on these things which I have talked about. Don't definitely think that judiciary is sacrosanct and beyond many things. In the global scale, we are very poorly performing. It is not me, it is the World Bank which has done the research. Okay? It has come to a stage where the country is not able to progress because one of the pillars of the democracy, which is the judiciary, is lagging, right? Contracts don't get enforced. When you say the government is not performing, in the economic survey, 55,000 crores of government schemes and different plans are stuck in the courts to litigation. Okay, things don't move. You want to do why do you see things taking so long to get implemented? Because things don't move in the courts as fast as they can. So it is not just a experience in terms of justice, it's an economic consequence, it's a livelihood consequence. It is so many lives are getting delayed or getting wrongly affected by a very inefficient judicial system. So we should feel free to think about it and question it in all possible angles. Right? The problem I see is most of you come from a background and we think this is sacrosanct and this beyond our question. Okay, but questioning is not wrong. That is how changes happen, that is how feedback comes, that is how system improves. Okay, so let us be willing to think about it and question it. Okay,
Sir, what is the case?
can we take it offline?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We take it after.
Yeah, because
Okay, done.
I also have time. Okay, so thank you everyone. Hope I just made you think a bit and I brought the concept of good governance to the judicial system. So hopefully I have made some points. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir is the head of Vision India Foundation. I guess all of us know what Vision India Foundation is. So Vision India Foundation organizes some brilliant that I always want to be a part of Good Governance Yatra that started in Goa this time, sir. One of my classmates is there. Some excellent fellowships that...
Yeah, I'll encourage especially people in the last year, final year, then our fellowships are a great opportunity to get started. So check out our website.
yeah.
Vision
Vision India Foundation.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your presence.